Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name's Amanda and today we are going to be doing an intermediate Rumba practice routine. First, we're going to learn the steps, then we're going to do it with counts, then we're going to add some arms onto it, and then we will do it with music.
It's so hard to be near you. You make it hard for me to breathe. And I can't stand to see you smile, 'cause it kills me from within.
We're going to start with our feet together, right foot prepared to dance, and we are going to do the followers part of the sliding doors. So we're going to go back with our right, replace forward, and a delayed walk. We're going to do a cucaracha to the left, feet together, a cucaracha to the right, and stepping across. We're going to do 2 delayed walks, one with the left foot, take a step, one with the right foot. From here, we're going to do a high spiral turn on that right foot. And from here, we're going to take the left foot and go replace underneath and step across with the right. We are going to now do the leader's part of the sliding doors, which is a check forward with that left, replace back with the right, delayed walk back with the left foot, cucaracha to the right, feet together, and cucaracha to the left, and feet together. Now with counts. And 2 and 3 and 4. Hold 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now with arms. We are going to go right arm up, around the head, and right arm open to the side. And left arm opens to the side, right arm opens to the side, left, and right, left, down. We're going to go up with the right, around the head, and now from here, we're going to put our arms, right arm open to the side, and down. Now from here, right arm side and forward, in, down, right arm to the side, left arm to the side, right, and left, right, left. Now with the counts. And 2 and 3 and 4. 2 and 3 and 4. 2 and 3 and 4. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 2 and 3 and 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Now we will practice it with the music a few times.
It's so hard to be near you. You make it hard for me to breathe. And I can't stand to see you smile, 'cause it kills me from within. Your voice is like an arrow that pierces me through the heart, and your touch is like fire that will burn my skin. I wish that I could say what I really feel, 'cause I'm in love with you. Yeah, I'm in love with you. I know I'm not supposed to be, but I am. I'm in love with you.
Alrighty guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.